We got a 2024 Nissan Rogue. This is how you service the cabin filter. Cabin filter is located in this box right here. Now you can get to it without taking the glove box apart. It might be easier to take the glove box apart. But if you can reach it with your finger, push this tab in like this. Okay, this removes the door. Slide your hand in here, grab the filter, slide it right out. So this one is extremely easy. This filter is pretty new, so we're not going to replace it today. But if you look right here, it's got arrows on it. Usually this is airflow direction, and that's going to be down. So when you get your new filter, let's drop it back in here. So if you need a filter, there'll be a link in the description box and in the comment box for you to pick up a filter for your Nissan Rogue. Left side goes in first. It has this tab right here. It slides into a slot. It's kind of hard to see with the glove box in the way. You just put the right side back on. It should lock like that, and you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, giving me a like, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching the video.